Welcome to my world of electronic computer-aided design, drafting. As I have said before, my computer is not a toy for playing games. I can use it to perform computer-aided design drafting, for electrical engineering, applications, or do some mechanical drawing. Here is ORCAD Capture, very old version of it. Pull up a design, and here you see the first screen that comes up. As I pulled up the name of the design, 4-bit ALU, but I'm actually drawing an 8-bit arithmetic and logic unit, asynchronous design. You have a folder called Design Resources, the name of the design, the .dsn file, and you have the subfolder schematic 1, page number 1, page 2, page 3, or as many pages as you need to draw for the schematic. Here is a closer look at the file structure of an ORCAD electrical engineering schematic design for electrical or electronics engineering. Now next, let's the window cascade. Let's go to where I left off, and this is a 8-bit arithmetic and logic unit, asynchronous arithmetic and logic unit design that I'm doing. That could eventually be loaded into a PLD or programmable logic device, to emulate a 8-bit arithmetic and logic unit. And you see I've placed parts. I'm drawing these as A-size sheets because that's so that they could be outputted onto my printer, out in the hallway. Here is a closer look at the screen. And one aspect of designing an arithmetic logic unit is that you have functions over an A register or accumulator, and you want to be able to have the accumulator be whatever the number it is, or have accumulator or A register equals 0. To have all these as nothing but logic 0 on the output. And you do that with this logic using the 7400 quad NAND gate, of course, which is of course old technology, but I myself am very much in love with the older technology, because not just that it's not easier to understand, but the older technology is actually more robust, than the newer technology that we have now in the year 2015. And of course, with it, you can click on Zoom window, and I'm actually starting to label my net aliases with it, or what my signal names are supposed to be. And this is the B register. B register with it, the input to the ALU from the B register, and the logic function of B register or B register equals 0. And I have to with it but click on net alias. Now we call this B underscore REG underscore three underscore I in. Now we hit OK, and now we bring it down and we click it on that signal line. And that's how you label your signals in using ORCAD.